Hi, Monica and Scott. Monica, it was great talking with you. I wanted to send you this quick website audit as promised to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. Now, I know that most business owners are extremely busy and they don't necessarily have time to handle all of their marketing needs of their business. So I started making these videos. And if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss any of this further, I'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, the video is 100% yours to keep. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. So to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like exterior painting San Antonio, house painter San Antonio, other keyword phrases along those lines. That way when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will pop right up. So looking at your website, I really like the design and layout. It's very aesthetically pleasing and it has great information on it. I'd recommend adding any awards or certifications that you have. Testimonials are always great to have on there as well. And looking at your service pages, let me just come up here. I like how you have everything broken down. The pages are all separated, one for each service. This really helps each of the services to rank when they're already separated the way that they are right now. So one suggestion I have is to describe each service in more detail. So just like within these pages, the service pages, typically 500 words of descriptive text with some keywords in there is a good number to strive for as far as content goes. And we typically say like one keyword for every 100 words is good because we don't want to stuff keywords in there. So that's just kind of a number to strive for. And then as far as your homepage goes, it looks like when I did a word counter on it, you have about 630 words. So you'll want to add more relevant, keyword-rich content to hit that 1,500 word mark. Okay, but overall, I really like the site. Like I said, it looks really great. The next thing I want to talk to you about is backlinks. So the thing with Google is it can kind of be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, very important to remember, not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. So for example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company would be a good one for you, or something like a popular website that features various types of home services. That would also be another good one. So something that has to do with the services you offer, you're going to have a lot more influence given to you from that type of backlink versus a backlink from, let's say, your local Domino's Pizza or Macy's department store or something like that. So a tool I use to measure backlinks is called Ahrefs. And it gives you a ton of really valuable data on what kind of traffic is coming into your website. So I looked your website up right here, and it looks like right now you have 821 backlinks, 135 referring domains, and then 99 for your organic traffic. So that tells me you're getting minimal traffic coming into your website, which means you're losing out on a lot of potential clients. Now, when I looked at your San Antonio branch of the website, let me just update this. Let's see. So for San Antonio, it looks like you have a 0 for organic traffic, which means you're not getting any website visits for that location. So Compared to your top competitor in San Antonio, which is Texas Professional Painting, I'm sure you've heard of, they have backlinks that are higher quality, and therefore they have more power and tons of organic traffic coming to their site. So you'll see that for them, with their website, they have 1.2 thousand people per month visiting their site. So a strategy we tell our clients to use to get that same kind of influence and power as their competitors is to go in and get the same backlinks as they have, and then continue to keep adding more and more so you'll surpass them while gaining more and more power to your site, and then a lot more organic traffic, of course, comes with that, and new customers. So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants a service now, most likely they're going to go onto Google and probably type in Painter San Antonio, for example. And then a lot of people will look at these businesses in the local map pack right here, and they will go to their websites or give them a call and probably choose one of these because they see them as very reputable. Obviously, they're high up. They have ratings. People are talking about them. And so there is a reason why these businesses are at the top, and it's not necessarily because they're the best business. It's because they have the most citations. So citations are anywhere on the internet where your business name is, your phone number, and address are all listed in different directories, such as Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, White Pages, to name a few. So again, what we tell our clients, same type of strategy that we use with backlinks. You go in, and whatever directories your competition is being listed in, you list yourself in those exact same directories, and then you add on a space cushion of, say, 20 to 30% more directories than your competition. And over time, what's going to happen is you're going to infiltrate this Google My Business local map pack. You're going to be at the top before your competitors even realize it. They're not going to be able to catch up because you'll just keep adding on more backlinks and more citations and taking on all of that new traffic and all of the new business. So here is my website. In case you guys have some questions or you want to chat with me about anything that we just reviewed, my number is right here, 210-865-0718. But Monica and Scott, in closing, one last time, I just wanted to thank you so much for watching the video today. I definitely hope to hear back from you soon, and I hope you have a great week. Thanks.